Well, lovely weather.
Welcome back to the channel. This one's going to be a quick video fixing something that is rather annoying and it just makes the car look a bit naff. To get the things off, you take off the clips. They come off quite easy. There's not much to them. Should be 8 along, unless I'm missing one. And then basically it just comes off. So to summarise, to get the grille, the kidney grille and the actual headlight surrounds off, it's the 8 clips this time, and then on the grille itself there's 2 screws, Phillips, and then they come right out. So my idea for this is to tidy them up. They're looking a bit faded and it does impact the front of the car. I think it just looks unloved, would be the word.
Interesting, isn't it?
And then the kidney grills, I'm not sure if I'm going to spray these or just order the black ones. Tried and tested. So here goes.
So this is day 2 of the cheap DIY grill restoration shit, whatever. Please please excuse the sound in the background. The battery died. Basically, I had to jump start the car and I can't turn it off because I have no way of starting it again. And with it being an automatic, you can't bump start it. And also, we got a new tyre, just one. Not the tyre we wanted, but the other one. Actually, let me show you the illegal, highly illegal tyre that would have got me 3 points had I have been caught. Oh yeah, and I haven't got the mic on, so the audio is probably shit. So this is our. So this is the old tyre. Will it not focus? So this is the old tyre. I mean, look at that. That is crazy, crazy. That's bad, real bad. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit the grill, I'm going to go grab a coffee and probably some breakfast. I'm not going to pick up any for Dan because I'm a dick. And then I'll go get the tyre repaired. And funnily enough, it's from the same dude that charged us 20 quid, pardon me, to loosen the struts. I mean the shocks. So no doubt he sabotaged us, charged us 50 quid for the cheapest tyre he had, and now he's going to charge me probably another 20 quid to repair the tyre. But yeah, anyway, we're going to fit the grill because I'm rambling on, and yeah. So here's its current state. And here's our new, freshly sprayed grill. I'm a little bit hyped. I haven't slept in probably 40, no, when did I wake up? Yesterday. Basically, coming on 50 hours, I've been awake now. It's unreal. But we are going to get to work on the car right now. Woo!
So basically what we're going to need is the screws and the bolts for the grill itself. Are you ready?
Oh bloody hell, I've got myself stuck. So we've got our bolts very nicely. We're going to do this nice and quick. So, start with this piece. Easy enough. Start with the next piece. Easy enough. And the last piece. Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it? I'll edit that out, that never happened. Oh shit, it's chipped. Yeah, Dan, Richard, I'll never see this, it never happened. I was driving down the road whilst it chipped. Oh god, it looks amazing. Oh my god, it looks even better on camera. Right, I'll be gentle about this. Monroe, do not... No! Right. We'll clip it back into place. Now, to be fair, I have no idea how it goes together. I've only, you know, I've only been up all night editing the video, but you know, right, it's focused now. That might be the wrong way around. That. Oh, it's coming together. It's coming together. I wonder how the middle one clips then. Maybe it's a screw. In we go. Oh, I think there's one that goes there. Oh god, this is a ball ache. I'll have to come back, I need to have a bit more of a look. So I've fitted the grill and it looks absolutely amazing. Are you ready? Oh my god, why does it look so much better on camera? Oh my god! Oh, look at that. That I definitely did. The footage will prove that I did not do that bit right there. So yeah, basically, there's a screw there where if my finger's not in the way. So there's a screw there, there's a screw there, one there, and another one there. Voila! Chuffed with that. So for the sake of, I don't know how much the spray paint was, £1, £2, £3, I don't know. It was less than £5 anyway to do that, and it looks $1 million. Yeah, so anyway, that's now done, and I'm gonna go get some food and then get the tyre repaired. But obviously, this is the coolest car on the channel, I'll admit it. Mona's nothing on this. Mona's got nothing on Monroe. Yeah, we're not putting that in the video. I didn't really just say that. No, it looks good.
As I'm cheap, I didn't want to spend too much on paint, so I decided to go to Poundland of all places and picked up some grey primer and matte black spray paint. £1 each. Whereas the equivalent for 300ml in Helford's is £6. I wasn't expecting much from a tin of £1 spray paint. So if you'd prefer to buy the black grills, on eBay they're about 18 quid, which I could touch these up quite a few times before I even break even.
Smoking a joint. Blazing it up.
Don't mind Jake in the corner.
What?
He's meant to be editing the video, but he's not doing very good.
Listen, I've been up 50 hours.
50 hours?
I have.
He's not been up that long at all.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
No.
This is day 2. There's 24 hours in a day.
I'm glad you clarified that. I was a bit unsure on that point.
I was up all night. What day is it? Thursday.
Yeah,
so
Thursday.
I woke up 7 Tuesday. I didn't go to bed Wednesday. And then I'm still awake now. Basically, I've been awake 70 hours.
Now look, smash my screen. And in other news, Mona needs a new bumper as someone had a crash.
Yeah, I'll put a photo up now.
He crashed, he reversed into a post.
No, what are you on with? Somebody drove into the back of me. I was sat there at the lights, minding my own business, and somebody ploughs into the back of me, writing off my car. Basically.
So we'll see if Mona's bumper turns out multicoloured like someone else's car. So thanks for watching. If you'd like the video, cool. Like, subscribe. If you don't like the video, then buy yourself some grills. It's easier. Toodle pip.